But what I didn't realize is they also built a whole underground shopping center underneath the Wulin Square. Hangzhou is very famous for their silk products, and the most famous street for tourists is I have to move because the car wants to leave. It's just here on the opposite side of the road. There's the Hangzhou Silk Market, but I don't want to go there today because my wife searches for a tailor, and I assume that just on the opposite side of the silk market there's this big market hall. And I heard that there are also some tailors inside, so we will have a look and search if we can find a tailor or if we can find some other interesting stuff in the market. So let's join us in this market.
I could stay like this, forever following you.
So this market is actually for almost everything, so you can find some household appliances, you can also find some towels, some clothes, some decoration maybe for Chinese New Year, and some more clothes, some medicine, some pots. So this market is for everything. So I would recommend you, maybe like today when it's a rainy day in Hangzhou and you don't know what to do, just come here and check out what crazy stuff they have. For example, here they have Spider-Man, but he became a little bit fat. So there's a lot of things to discover. So we are now in the basement of the market, and here is all about clothes. We see a lot of jeans, a lot of shirts, and maybe we will find some tailors here.
Unfortunately, at this market there are just a few tailors. We checked some of them, but we weren't satisfied with the quality. So we went on the internet and searched for other tailors in the city. We found one, and then we took a bus to go there. And it was hidden in a skyscraper, and it's the only tailor who is in this building. So it's not like the big tailor markets in Shanghai where there are maybe hundreds of tailors. It's just the one tailor in this building. Then when we arrived there, the boss showed us some designs, showed us some fabrics, and finally we found a design and a combination with the fabric which my wife and I liked. Then we decided to buy it. They measured her. We also went there for another time for the fitting, and then we went there a third time to pick it up, and we are very satisfied with the final result. It looks very good, the price was also nice, so everything fine.
I've been to Hangzhou for several years, and most of the time the Wulin Square was just a big construction site, so I didn't see much of it. Then I think in 2016, then they finished construction in Wulin Square, and in the heart of Hangzhou was reopened. So I just thought, okay, now there's the new square, and they also in the evening have a light and water show there, so it's nice. But what I didn't realize is they also built a whole underground shopping center underneath the Wulin Square. So it's not just a square, it's a whole city below the square. It's amazing. One new highlight of Hangzhou's new Wulin Square is the water and light show in the evening. And it's not as crowded as the show at the West Lake because not a lot of people already know about it. But it's half an hour, and it's pretty good. So when you're in Hangzhou, you should come here and enjoy this show. So just after you watched the music fountain behind me on Wooling Square, they start another show which is right in front of me now. So and it's some kind of video projection on a whole building. So enjoy it. Crossing the street can be an adventure in China, especially at night. We just made it to the first quarter and then the light jumped to red. So now we have to wait until it's green and then we can continue to walk over the street and hopefully we'll get to the other side. Okay, now it's green, so we can go. So you see, even if we have the green light, there are some trucks and some, electric motorcycles and other cars coming, even when you as pedestrian have the green light, so it's still not very safe. So we made it, we survived, as always, otherwise you wouldn't see this video. So when you want to cross the street in China, even when you as a pedestrian have the green light, look in all directions and check where something or somebody can come from.
Let's stay.